Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what the blues is and how it relates to the music we make. Blues music originated in the deep south of the United States around the end of the 19th century. Developed by African Americans, it was born from a mix of African musical traditions, spirituals, work songs, and folk music. Blues is distinguished by its chord progression, often a 12-bar blues, and its use of the blue note. The genre is deeply expressive, reflecting themes of adversity, emotion, and the human experience. The influence of blues is vast, contributing significantly to the development of genres like rock and roll, jazz, and even hip-hop. Artists from Elvis Presley to the Rolling Stones drew heavily from blues. Today, blues continues to evolve, resonating with new generations. Festivals worldwide celebrate its legacy, and artists continue to explore its rich depths, ensuring that the soul of blues never fades. Blues is more than just a musical genre. It's an emotional journey, a historic tapestry, and a cultural treasure. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.